North of National Park Kornati is another nature park, Telaščica. Passenger ships tirelessly transport guests from land to Telaščica, so during the summer season it gets quite busy here. However, you can tie your boat to a buoy and come up to buy a ticket for a visit to this natural wonder. At the park, there is typical Mediterranean vegetation with over 400 plant varieties, with many rare and endemic species around as well. In the sea, there's around 250 plant and 300 animal species, including very rare red corals and carnivorous sponge. Telaščica Bay is one of the safest, most beautiful and largest natural harbours in the Adriatic, with its 6 islands and rocks, 25 bays and 69 kilometers of coastline. Saltwater lake Mir, with medicinal mud, is a habitat to an endemic sort of eel called caiman. This is also a favorite swimming resort for visitors. Although Telaščica is surrounded by the clearest, most beautiful sea, for some reason people prefer to come to swim here. We can't really understand why, but let them enjoy. High-rising cliffs climb up to 161 meters above sea level and descend vertically to the depth of 90 meters. These cliffs are a home to numerous bird species. In the nature park, diving at a few attractive spots next to the cliffs is especially beautiful. Also, we recommend taking a walk along the paths and visiting interesting places. And the panoramic view from the Belvedere Grpaščak really shouldn't be missed.